This cable is a 6-row repeat worked on a multiple of 7 plus 3. For my sample, I used worsted weight yarn and US size 7 needles. I also added some extra stitches for a garter stitch border just so my swatch is neat and tidy. The cable itself is just worked on what you see here. The reverse stockinette stitches on either side, and then the cable. After the first couple of rows, I won't be mentioning the edge stitches. We'll just be concentrating on the stitches used for the cable pattern itself. You will also need a cable needle for this stitch. I used the medium-sized cable needle from this set in the video. So first I'm going to knit my 3 garter stitches at the beginning of the row. Now for row 1 of the cable pattern, you're going to purl 3, knit 4. So that's the repeat for row 1. Purl 3, knit 4, and you'll end your last repeat with purl 3. And then I just have my 3 garter stitches for the edge. Okay, for row 2, again, these are just my garter stitch edges at the beginning. For row 2 of the cable pattern, it's knit 3, purl 4, or you could just knit each stitch as it appears. So you knit 3, purl 4, and end your last repeat with knit 3. And then I'm going to just work my garter stitch edge there. For row 3, you repeat purl 3, knit 4. And you end your last repeat with purl 3. For row 4, you repeat knit 3, purl 4, and end your last repeat with knit 3. For row 5, you're going to start the repeat with purl 3. And now you will need your cable needle. You're going to slip 2 stitches onto your cable needle. You're going to hold those in the back of the work. And then knit 2 stitches from the left needle. And now we need to knit those stitches from the cable needle. So you could knit them directly from your cable needle, or you can just slip them back onto your left needle. And then knit those 2 stitches. Okay, and then you repeat purl 3, slip 2 stitches to your cable needle and hold them in the back of the work. Knit 2 stitches from the left needle, and then knit the 2 stitches from your cable needle. And then you'll end your last repeat with purl 3. For row 6, you're going to repeat knit 3, purl 4. Or again, you can just work each stitch as it appears if you don't want to count. And you'll end your last repeat with knit 3. And you just repeat those 6 rows for your cable.